You brought this up. A huge aspect of your work is amplifying Asian entrepreneurship, which I think is incredible. What does that mean to you?
I noticed a very peculiar common thread, which was there's so many Asians at the mid management level. A lot of DOs were Asians that I've had. And not until recently, a lot of like the actual owners, chef owners or, restaurant owners were predominantly white. I could say the same for like a kitchen structure. Always like the head chef would be white, sous chef. There's so many Asian sous chefs. It's kind of crazy. But like that kind of dynamic always made me wonder like what's going on. You start to like look around, you're like, hey, the guys that look like me are always like doing the same thing. And why have we not broken that barrier? We should be already on top right now. And I noticed that a few restaurateurs are popping up at the time. Like this is 3, 4 years ago. And I noticed that they were not getting the media coverage. I couldn't find anything on them. No one was covering their stories. And so that
Interesting.
kind of, yeah, that kind of, I'm gonna say empowered here, but like empowered me to start with Warm Welcome, which helps tell those stories of Asian restaurant owners, Asian chefs, because I think sometimes it takes somebody to have walked that path or understand the challenges and tribulations of being an Asian immigrant to help tell that story.